All right, let's fucking go. In the ARTGIRL shader macros, down here in this 3-digit section, we have a uint10 macro. Down here in the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, inside of main here, in label your units asshole, we have this new value here. It's the address on a 13 by 13 grid overlay. We need this in order to draw the inset bomb graphic. Okay, down here, we wrote this line, but it does not exist because we're only going to have a D13 when we are rendering the bomb graphic. So I have it right here. I wrote this in the previous video. Down here in the Toy Story SID loop where we're rendering our bombs from front to back, if we go way down here, we're using that D13 bomb value right here. So it is a 1/13th chunk of discrete units for the current tile size. We need this to do our tile map math later. Down here in render collected binary tiles, we have the inclusive range of where the 9x9 graphic is within the larger 13 by 13 grid. And if we scroll down here into the bomb tile bit where we're rendering the bomb tile, only if the bomb tile is a non-zero tile value, we're going to calculate which cell on that 13 by 13 grid we're in, and if we are out of bounds, then we're not going to render anything, but if we are inside the bounds, then we're going to calculate our position on the 9 by 9 grid by subtracting 2 here from the 13 by 13 grid position. And then all of this code right here is cut and paste code. It's the same code as the code right here. All we're doing is picking out the bit from the 9x9 graphic, right? We're picking out the bit from the 9x9 graphic, and we're doing monochrome stamping, right? If the bit's 1, we stamp this color. If the bit's 0, we stamp this other color. And then finally, way down here, we're going to undef our macros. Good housekeeping, and that's it. So if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here. We do not have time on the fast playlist, and technical demos without any code, the how it's made of game engine design is here, source code is here, ways to get a hold of me are down here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a game engine and a game and a server all from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb puzzle game called Atomic Ivy MMO. We use proximity mines that have directional blasts, right? 4-way, horizontal, vertical, you chain them together. It's kind of like Tetris, but you're gonna fucking die. Like and subscribe.